In the quiet void of space, amid the endless expanse of stars, there are flashes of light so intense they can be seen across the entire universe. These fleeting bursts are not just lights in the dark, but cataclysmic explosions of unimaginable energy. They are called gamma-ray bursts, or GRBs, one of the most powerful and enigmatic phenomena in the cosmos. In just a few seconds, a single gamma-ray burst can release more energy than our sun will emit over the course of its entire 10 billion-year lifetime. To witness a GRB is to witness a force of nature so far beyond our grasp. It reshapes the very fabric of space and time. But despite their intensity, their origins remain shrouded in mystery. Where do they come from? What cosmic cataclysm triggers them? And why are these bursts of energy so extraordinary? The story of gamma-ray bursts begins not with astronomers, but with spies and satellites. In 1967, the US launched the Vela satellites, whose primary mission was to detect nuclear explosions on Earth, part of an international treaty to monitor atomic tests. But the satellites did something far more extraordinary. They detected bursts of gamma radiation, immense flashes of energy coming from the depths of space. At first, scientists were baffled. The signals were too intense, too erratic to be natural. Was someone detonating nuclear bombs in space? For years, the bursts were a mystery, a secret that seemed to exist only in the cold void of space. It wasn't until later, when scientists ruled out man-made sources, that the true nature of the phenomenon began to emerge. What was producing these cataclysmic bursts of gamma radiation? Could they be the result of supernovae, dying stars, or perhaps some other force entirely? Gamma-ray bursts come in two primary forms: long-duration and short-duration bursts. Long-duration GRBs are typically linked to the violent deaths of massive stars. Stars much larger than our sun burn through their nuclear fuel much faster. And when their core can no longer support the weight of their outer layers, they collapse in on themselves. The core implodes, often forming a black hole, while the outer layers explode outward in a massive supernova, a spectacular display of light and energy. It is in these final, catastrophic moments of a star's life that a gamma-ray burst can occur. As the collapsing core forms a black hole, powerful jets of energy and matter are ejected from the poles of the star at nearly the speed of light, releasing an incredible flash of gamma rays. These jets are narrow but incredibly energetic, and when aligned with our line of sight, they are detected as a GRB. But it's not just the collapse of a single star that can trigger a GRB. There is another type of GRB, short-duration bursts, that arise from the merger of two compact, dense objects, a pair of neutron stars or a neutron star and a black hole. When these objects collide, the resulting explosion sends out a burst of gamma radiation that can be even more violent than a supernova. The sheer power of gamma-ray bursts is incomprehensible. Just one burst releases more energy than our sun will emit in its entire 10 billion-year lifetime. But what makes these bursts so remarkable is not just their intensity, but their reach. A single gamma-ray burst can be detected across vast distances, from galaxies billions of light-years away. This means that when we observe a GRB, we are looking back in time, to a time when the universe was much younger and galaxies were still in their formative stages. But with such tremendous energy comes a potential danger. If a gamma-ray burst were to occur within a few thousand light-years of Earth, the gamma radiation could strip away our atmosphere, devastating life as we know it. While such events are rare, their consequences would be catastrophic. Fortunately, the universe is vast, and the odds of a GRB impacting Earth directly are extremely low. But the question remains, what role do these cosmic explosions play in the evolution of galaxies, and why do they occur at all? Though the initial burst of gamma radiation is the star of the show, the story of a gamma-ray burst doesn't end there. After the burst fades, the surrounding environment continues to glow. This is known as the afterglow, a second, longer-lasting emission of energy in the form of X-rays, optical light, and radio waves. The afterglow can last for hours, days, or even weeks, and it provides astronomers with a rare opportunity to study the cosmic event in detail. The afterglow is one of the most valuable tools astronomers have at their disposal. By studying the afterglow, scientists can pinpoint the precise location of the GRB, identify the host galaxy, and learn about the environment in which the explosion occurred. It also allows them to study the properties of the explosion, the composition of the surrounding matter, and the rate at which the burst fades away, each piece of data contributing to a greater understanding of the event. While much has been learned about gamma-ray bursts, many questions remain unanswered. Why do some stars collapse into black holes and release gamma radiation, while others end their lives as supernovae without such bursts? How do the mergers of neutron stars produce such immense explosions? And what hidden secrets about the fundamental forces of the universe do these bursts hold? One fascinating area of research is the potential link between GRBs and the formation of heavy elements. When stars collapse or neutron stars collide, they may create some of the universe's heaviest elements: gold, platinum, and even uranium. These elements are scattered throughout the cosmos, enriching the interstellar medium and providing the raw materials for future generations of stars and planets. In this way, GRBs are not just violent events, but crucial processes that shape the very fabric of the universe. As our tools and technology advance, so too does our ability to uncover the mysteries of gamma-ray bursts. Space missions like the Fermi Gamma-Ray Space Telescope and the upcoming James Webb Space Telescope will give us a clearer, more detailed view of these cosmic explosions. Through these instruments, we will be able to observe gamma-ray bursts with unprecedented sensitivity, helping us to learn not just about the events themselves, but about the galaxies, stars, and environments from which they emerge. With each new discovery, we come closer to understanding not only the mechanics of gamma-ray bursts, but also their role in the larger cosmic picture. How do these events influence the formation of galaxies and stars? What can they tell us about the first moments after the Big Bang? And perhaps most importantly, what can they teach us about the future of the universe itself? Gamma-ray bursts are more than just flashes of light in the dark. They are cosmic beacons, signaling the most extreme events in the universe, offering us a glimpse into the very forces that shape galaxies, stars, and even life itself. They are the universe's most violent and energetic phenomenon, and yet they remain a mystery. As we continue to study these bursts of light, we come closer to unraveling their secrets, and in doing so, unlocking the hidden forces that govern the cosmos.